What's going on, guys? Welcome to another live trading recap video. Today I have a couple of candidates for shorting. The market is weak today. You can see S&P 500 and Nasdaq almost without a change from yesterday. And I found some stocks on my scanner that I really like to trade, that they gap down. So in current market conditions, it makes them good candidates for a gap and go strategy. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so let's take a look at the first one. Is Visa. The price dropped down 3.7% from previous day. Looks like it found a strong support at this level. Take a look at the daily chart. The price touched this level several times and bounced back up. We can see similar behavior pre-market. So it feels to me there is a strong support level here. And I will look for another stock with better chances that the price will drop down when the market opens. The next one is QuantumScape. This one has much better setup in my opinion. The stock had its rally for several days now, and after the price reached all-time highs, it moves down for the last couple of days as investors and traders are taking their profits. The price fell down more than 2% pre-market, and there are good chances it will continue down. So I'm preparing my order. I marked the level that I want to short the stock at. Once the price falls below 36 level, I will short 1,000 shares. While we are waiting for the market to open, it's a great time to like this video and subscribe to the channel. The market is open now. Let's see what it wants to do. I wanted to drop below the level that I marked at 36.10. I won't touch the stock for the first minute and will wait for the previous day orders to get executed, as well as I want to see another candlestick to better understand the price action and traders' intentions. There is a big buying volume, so the price is going up a bit, and at the same time there is some kind of resistance at the VWAP line, the white line on the chart, and also 20 MA, the blue line on the chart. And it looks that the price just broke the resistance level. I expected it to bounce back down from the VWAP level, and after such a strong move I will have to wait until it goes all the way back down. Meanwhile, I'm watching other stocks on another monitor, and I see that the Peloton has a much better setup. Let's quickly jump to Peloton and see if we can enter a position. It's a similar setup, but the price has already been rejected and I don't want to miss the opportunity. I'm shorting the stock. To short the stock meaning that I bought the shares from the broker and I sold it at the market, and I will buy it back at a low price. 1,000 shares will be automatically returned to the broker and I will keep the difference. There is a big selling volume, so I'm confident it will go down. My profit target here is about $500. It's 1% of the market value of the shares. Having 1,000 shares to get a profit of $500, I need the stock to go down for about 50 cents. So I'm waiting for the price to drop below $52 so I can buy it back. And the price just touched 52 and went even further. Great, I started to take my profits and I closed my position with a $427 profit. So basically what I did was I sold 1,000 shares for the price of $52.39 and bought it back for $51.95, keeping the profit of 44 cents per share. Let's see what else is there. LCID, Lucid Motors. The price goes down steadily and it's already below the support level. I want to enter another small short position, only 500 shares, but before I do that I want to get a confirmation that this is not a false breakout and the price will not jump back up, so I will wait a bit to see it goes down. There is a big buying volume providing the support at this level, and I want to see the price reject it and fall down. And it looks like there is not enough buying pressure to drive the price back up, and VWAP is going down as well. I'm starting to feel confident that the price will go in my direction and won't rise higher. So I'm kind of ready to enter the position. Sold 500 shares. Since I almost reached my daily profit target of $500, I'm using a smaller position than the previous trade just to protect my profits in case this is a losing trade. So if I lose money on this trade, I will not give back my gains from the previous trade. Luckily, it looks like this trade also will be a win, and the next support level will be below the 50 level. And if everything goes as planned, I will double my daily profit target. Well, the price doesn't want to fall like a brick, as I hope it would, and level 2 action looks intimidating. There are a lot of buyers stepping in, so I might just get out and take the $250. I could stay a little longer, but I don't see a strong momentum. Overall, I have a profit of $692. I made 2 trades for less than 10 minutes. I'm very happy with the results. Thank you for watching. I hope this is helpful for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.